Good morning everyone, this is As Mohammad Khan and I welcome you in today's segment. In our previous segment we have read about chapter 6. Today we will discuss about acid rain. Yes student, acid rain. Many times the rain that we have, that rain may be acidic. Now what is acidic rain student? Acidic rain or acid rain is the rain that takes place due to air pollution. Means when the oxides of sulfur, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, then these oxides react with water vapor and they form acidic clouds student, and those acidic clouds cause acid rain. Like air pollution, acidic rain is also harmful for the environment. It causes skin cancer and it also causes the marble cancer student. Yes, the monuments that are made up of marble, those marbles may be corroded due to acid rain. The color of Taj Mahal is changing from white to yellow student. It is also due to acid rain. So what is acid rain? When the oxide of sulfur or nitrogen reacts with water vapor, then they form acidic clouds and those acidic clouds cause acid rain. Now we come on the next. It is fire extinguisher. What are the fire extinguishers student? Fire extinguishers are the substances from which we can stop the burning or we can stop the fire. Those all substances can be considered as fire extinguishers like water, soil, carbon dioxide. There are some devices or red color cylindrical body is also used to put out the fire, and that cylindrical body contains carbon dioxide from which we can put out the fire or we can stop the burning. So those cylindrical body can be also considered as fire extinguisher student. Now we come on the next. It is calorific value. Now what is calorific value student? Calorific value means the amount of heat energy. The amount of heat energy released by 1 kg of fuel is known as calorific value. It is known as calorific value student. Next is flame. Flame is also the most important keyword student, and in our daily life we observe it. When we observe it student, when the food is cooked with the help of LPG stove, so that LPG stove produces the flame from which we can cook our food. Now what is flame? Evaporized burning of a substance or evaporized burning of a fuel is known as flame, and the flame contains the three main parts student. Three main parts: outermost zone, middle zone and innermost zone. Outermost zone is the hottest zone of the flame. Now we come on the next, combustion. Now what is combustion? It is the chemical process student. The chemical process from which the substances catch the fire in the presence of oxygen is known as combustion, and the substances that can catch the fire are known as combustible substances student. What we call them? We call them combustible substance, and this chemical process is known as combustion. That chemical process is known as combustion student. Now we come on the next. It is explosion. During the burning student, there are some substances are burnt with a huge sound, and the burning of a substance with a huge sound is known as explosion. At Diwali, we burst the cracker, student. And when the crackers are burst, then that process can be considered as explosion, student. It is known as explosion. Now we come on the next, it is known as deforestation. Deforestation is the cutting of trees or the forest, student. Many times the trees or the forest are cut down for use of that particular land in which they are grown, or to use those plants and trees for different economical purpose. So the cutting of trees or the forest for the economical purpose is known as deforestation. And deforestation is harmful for our environment, student. Why is it harmful? Because due to the deforestation, the plants or the trees are cut down, and plant and trees plays very important role in the environment, student, because they clean and purify the environment. Means the environment is purified or cleaned with the help of plants or trees, student. That's why deforestation is the harmful effect on the environment. Next is fuel, student. Fuel. Now what is fuel? Fuel means the substances that are used to produce heat and light energy. All those substances can be considered as fuel, like the wood, coal, petrol, diesel, kerosene. What are they, student? They are the example of fuel. Now there are the two type of fuel, student. Good fuel and the bad fuel. Good fuel release the very less pollutant in the environment, like CNG, compressed natural gas. Compressed natural gas can be considered as good fuel, but the wood or the coal can be considered as poor fuel. Why, student? Because they release harmful pollutant in the environment in the form of smoke and different harmful gases like carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide. So it is about the fuel, student. Now you will try to write all these keywords in your notebook and try to learn them. As you know that the keywords play very important role to write the answer in your own sentences, and it is also important to understand the particular topic. So you will write these important keywords in your notebook. Thank you very much and have a pleasant day.